Hello there, I'm Dina. How to speak Indonesian, this time lesson 16 is getting serious because we are studying passive form in Indonesia. Rumus is formula in Indonesia, and I have 4 formulas. 4 rumus, 4 formulas. The first formula said object plus verb, D verb, and then subject. So subject, a lot of subjects optionals here. Now the example said, nanas dimakan adik. Nanas means pineapple. Dimakan means is eaten. Adik, in Indonesia when we say adik, it means siblings. Could be she or he. As long as she or he is younger than us, then we can say adik. Nanas dimakan adik means the pineapple is eaten by little sister. Now, the second example, pintu ditutup ayah. Pintu means door. The door is closed by daddy. Now, the second formula said object plus D, verb kan plus subject. For example, anak itu ditinggalkan begitu saja. Anak itu, that child, ditinggalkan is abandoned begitu saja, just like that. No news, no message, no food, no money, no nothing. The child is just abandoned. Number 2, rumah itu dibiarkan kosong. Rumah itu, that house, dibiarkan kosong, is abandoned. So we have abandoned here, two expression for this word of abandon. Dibiarkan kosong means the owners of the house left the house and make the house empty. Kosong means empty. Rumah itu dibiarkan kosong. Now, the third formula. In English, we have what we call biastative passive, right? Just like when I said, I am amazed. So it means that maybe there is a work of art that is very good. It looks so realistic. And finally, I am amazed. So I said, wow. So in Indonesia, we have also that kind of situation. And when somebody is amazed, take a look at what we have here. Dia terdampar. So he was on a voyage, and suddenly there was a storm, and the ship wrecked, and he is there with the ship wrecked. So we say this in Indonesia, dia terdampar. Now, the second is, just like I said earlier, mereka terpesona means they are amazed. Pesona is just like a power that can make everybody amazed. Mereka terpesona. And then the fourth formula, object plus ter, verb kan, oleh, subject. So we have one additional thing here is oleh. Now let's go to the example. Dia terpojokkan oleh keadaan. In English, we just say just like he is cornered by the situation. Oleh here means by. And earlier we have 3 formulas. It has no oleh there. But in this time, when we say dia terpojokkan keadaan, it's going to be easier for Indonesia to accept when they put the word oleh there, means by. Terpojokkan here, just like he's cornered, even though he's trying so hard to defend himself that he's not guilty of this. So this is useless. Everything is in vain because the fact and proofs all lead to one conclusion that he did the crime. So that could be the the situation. So when finally somebody said, dia terpojokkan oleh keadaan. Keadaan means situation. Now, the second example for this is Namanya terabadikan oleh sejarah. Terabadikan is coming from the word, the root of the word, the simple word is abadi, means eternal. Eternal in Indonesia, we treat this as a verb. That's why we can put it into a passive form. It's just like the history wrote his name. In Indonesia, we have namanya, his name. Namanya terabadikan oleh sejarah. But in English, I often heard that the history wrote his name. He got a big role in electricity or in other science or in politics or economy. So his name is written down by the history. Namanya terabadikan oleh sejarah. So this is it. Passive form in Indonesia. Probably the next meeting, then we will discuss about the comparison between active and passive form. Thanks for watching.